Hi everyone, welcome to High Language Training Center New Concept English Classroom, and today we will learn Book 1, Lesson 16. Soatlaşı qara 16 ders öğrensek, bu 16 ders hem de şu aldığım dersimizdenki nimesi desenler bir tekrar kısmı. Hoş, andaqda bu dersimizde köp uçraydigan so'zlarni o'rganaylik. So'zlardan keyin biz şu aldığım ders öğrengen mesela ismlarni köplik şekli. Shunami? Shularni onundan ham köplik ishlaydigan bir necha jumla shakllari bor. Shularni mashq qilib o'tamiz. Xo'sh, hamsa yangi so'zlar. Agar birinchisi nima desanglar? Russian. Okay, and nima o'rganib o'rgangan chiqibdi? Nima? Russian. Okay, and Russian deganimiz nima? Rossiyalik. Rossiyaning bo'lsa nima bo'ldi desanglar? Russian. Okay? You know, this is Russian people. This one is Russian people, and this one is Russian flag. Okay, and the flag deganimiz bayroq degan gap. F-L-A-G, flag. Russian flag and Russian people. Okay, Rossiyaliklar, shunami? Russian, you know, he's Russian. Deganda, shunami? Okay. So, is he Russian? Nima degan gap bo'ldi? Is he Russian? U nalikmi? Rossiyalikmi? Rosmu degan gap. Yes, he is. U Rossiyalik, shunami? Okay, good. My friend is Russian. And then mening do'stim bo'lsa Rossiyalik. Okay? And this mening do'stim Rossiyalikmi? Demak, ma'noni savolga aylantirib aytsak, is my friend Russian? Okay, Russian. Demak, ma'noni Russian sağlaştı. Next one is Dutch. Okay? Dutch. Xo'sh, endi Dutch deganimiz nima desanglar? Gollandiyalik degan gap. Okay, look, they are Dutch people. All right, Dutch people. You know, he is a Dutch fan. Okay, u bo'lsa nima desanglar? Dutch fan. Fan degan nima desanglar? Mastanasi. Har xil futbol mastanalari, naqsh mastanalari bor-ku. Shu mastani degan nima deymiz? Fan deymiz. Dutch fan degan nima? Gollandiyalik mastani. Arada Gollandiya qanday o'lti desanglar? Gulda o'lti saqlashdi. Bu Gollandiyaniki dunyodan gulda o'lti. Dunyodan. Ma nima desanglar? Dutch flag. Ma Gollandiyaning nimasi? Bayrog'i. Okay, this is a Dutch flag. Okay, this is a Dutch flag. Xo'sh, and the next one is these. Okay, and these deganimiz hamda the telaffuz qiladi. These. Yaxshi. These deganimiz bular. Odatda mushu ingliz tilidagi this, mush bu deymiz-ku. Mushniki ko'plik shakli. Okay, ko'plik shakli. Okay, ma'lumcha these. Okay, these are Dutch footballers. Okay, footballer. And footballer degan futbolchi, shunami? Footballers degan keyin astatildi-ku. O shaptilchi chiqaranda bo'yalgan. Okay, bu nima? Footballers. Okay, bular bo'lsa, Gollandiyalik nimalar? Futbolchilar. These are Dutch footballer. Okay, bu Gollandiyaning futbolchilari xelalam kuchli, shundami? Xelalam yomon. Okay, nima? These degan nima? Bular. Bular degani. Okay, these. Okay, next one is red. Okay, red. Actually, red. Red is kind of color. Qanday rangga bo'la? Ekranda ko'rinib turibdi, qizil rang, shunami? Qizil ranglik. Masalan, whose is this red car? Okay, and the whose degan nimada bo'lganda bo'la? Kimning, shunami? Whose is this? Bu kimning? Qizil mashina. Bu qizil mashina kimning? Whose is this red car? Okay, next one is gray. Okay, gray qanday rang ekan bolalar? Kulrang. Yaxshi. Kulranglar deymiz. Gray deymiz. Gray. Qaranglar, ma o'yiningki tema qaysi rangni sirlarlik ekan? It painted gray. The wall is gray of the house. Okay, and the gray deymiz nima? Kulrang of this house. Demakchi bu o'yining tema qanday? Kulrang. Misharika wall deganimiz nima? Masalan, tom degan gap. Wall. Okay, mana qanday ekan? Gray. What color is this phone? What color is this phone? Sizlarcha, bu telefonning rangi qanday rang ekan bolalar? It's gray. Okay, what color is my sweater? Okay, my popaykaning rangi qanday ekan savolashda? It is gray, right? Gray degan kulrang. Xo'sh, it's gray. Okay, next one is yellow. Okay, yellow. Actually, yellow. Yellow deganimiz endi sariq rang. Okay. This is bedroom. Okay. Nima? It's yellow. Shunaqa. This is bedroom and the bu bo'lsa bo'ladi. Nima? Yotoq qo'y. Bu qanday rangda? This is yellow. Okay. Ma velosipedchi. Bu velosipedni nima deysanlar? Bicycle deymiz. It's a bicycle and it's yellow. Okay. Bu bo'lsa bir nima deysanlar? Velosiped u qanday rangda ekan? Sariq rangda ekan. Va kishi qotil velosiped ekan bolalar. Bicycle. Okay, yellow. Qizil degan nima bo'lganda? Red. Yaxshi. Oldingi darslarimizda yeshil deganni o'rgangan. Yeshil degani green. Good. Next one is blue. Okay. Blue. Xo'sh, chansa blue. What is this? Qaysi adabanglar tegida blue shirt, blue pen, blue sky. Sizlarning qaysida? Okay. It's blue sky. Okay. What is this? It is blue nima? Shirt. What about that? It's blue pen. Yaxshi. Bu esa blue pen. Blue deganimiz endi ko'k ranglik. Okay. Blue shirt, blue pen, blue sky. Good. Next one is black. Okay, black. Black deganimiz nima bo'ldi? Endi qora. Qora ranglikni black deymiz. Like black shoes. Okay, shoes deganimiz oyoqlar, shunami? Black shoes, qora oyoq, shunami? Ya'ni black computer. Okay, a black computer. Qora ranglik nima? Computer. Ya'ni black car. Yaxshi, qora ranglik nima? Mashina. Demak, mushlar nima? Black. Qara. Okay, next one is orange. Okay, orange deganimiz shu orange oblisonning rangi ham oblisin nima? Orange deymiz, Such as what is the first one? Orange handbag. Okay, so what color are these? First one is orange. Okay, handbag. Orange hat. Orange shirt. Okay, I'm missing making orange. Orange. Orange handbag. Orange hat. Orange shirt. I'm missing that. Sure. Listen around that. Okay. They are. Good. What color are they? They are orange. They are orange. Good. Okay, such as red book, white shirt, grey coat. Okay, and the red book degan qizil rangli kitob, white shirt, oq rangli nima? Ko'ylak, a grey coat, kul rang palto, yellow tickets, yellow deganimiz kul rang bilet, sariq rang bilet, blue suits, ko'k rangli nima? Kastumurulka, shnama. Black and grey hat degancha. Qora ham kul rang nima? Shlapa. Okay, orange ties. Orange deganimiz nima bo'ldi? Oblisn rang. Green passport, yeshil passport, black umbrella, qora umbrella, qora kunlik, white handbag degan.